on holes, so testing things. Probably don't have it, but it's easy when you're trying to get. That closet. The long screws go on the top.
Yeah, remember that. Not all the screws in the doors are different lengths.
Is there somebody here who's not done this repair before that wants to get in here?
You want to? Yeah, you got or like take turns. Somebody,
I'll do it.
So
So
get
you
in
said
there.
the top ones are different?
And the top corners are, and then this is what holds in the door switch. Your door jam.
You go ahead and let these guys get in there and screw around.
Pun intended.
Pun intended. Yeah.
Especially on high-end models or ones with the door panels because they're super thin.
Move the camera around as needed.
And I leave this one until I'm ready. Because that little scratch right here.
I can kick that pad in there.
What's the point of the pad? Oh.
So when that handle drops.
I just sit on there like this.
Oh.
So we don't need to take these out.
You just do.
Right there.
Some people leave the bottom screws in to hold it so it doesn't fall. I leave those two in.
Because as soon as you let that go, this is going to go. And this will go.
Yeah, the top does want to spring up.
Newer model KitchenAids, Maytags, Whirlpools, that left in the end screw don't pull too hard. Don't have to take it out anymore.
Oh.
It actually holds the switch in place. Yep, now just pull the door towards you a little bit. There you go. See these little pieces right here? Hook over this guy. Yeah.
Need a flathead, I'll give you that.
Just keep it up.
Do it.
You have to, you can undo that again.
Wait, how do I take these off? I just pull them out?
I would take a picture of it, make sure you know how.
I
it goes
did.
back.
I did.
So there's a little.
Oh, I see.
So just don't go hard because it'll snap off and you can pull them straight there. Now some of them have like a little locking tab in there. You have to get that out first. That little white insert.
This is. I cut myself just like that.
Did you really?
Yep. Do you mind holding this?
Gentle with that
Yeah,
tag.
not
You break
right
your body.
here.
Does anyone else want to get any action? So what's this part?
That's your vent.
Vent, and then this is the
Dispenser.
dispenser.
You got your door latch up top.
Leaks there, you know, condensation and leaks there. And then there's a dudes for venting changing times.
Oh, yeah, fixture.
They're all labeled for you color-wise on there. And that purple one there might go up to the latch or something. Don't
No,
hook
the
it up to the
purple, the
board.
purple is, was it last one? Yeah.
Yeah, just makes that harness so short.
Just hanging it board up.
What did I say? Some of them have like little strips of color.
Yeah.
I think I'm pretty happy for like one will be a 5, one will be a 6, one's a 4. So they have a different 10. Or the one with that little different sheets of heat. So kind of like go in that one spot.
This, I think, goes right there, bottom.
And then normally there's a piece over the left side, a stick of bracket, you have to flip over. Locks on there.
Other side.
It's the hard part.
Well, if you didn't take them out, then yeah, so it's. Yeah, they should all be color, the colors are labeled on it. And that's not always the case, so they'll make the assumption in the field that all boards have, hey, this is the purple wires and the black and the yellow and the green. No.
They spend an extra nickel on that.
Exactly, literally just for you. Yeah, you can pop that board out there and show the guys. I would never forget. Yeah.
What's lacquer? That's not over the whole board.
Sometimes they'll pour this epoxy or resin or
Yeah.
whatever. You can't do nothing.
See,
I don't see them on here. Some of the boards have holes, so testing them. Probably don't have it, but it's easy when you're trying to get to the.
Yippee.
You pop this.
And how do you know it was the board?
He's gonna show you just a second.
I can smell it. See that corner?
Oh, yeah, that's
Hey, what happened to it?
really right.
Is there Whirlpool real done for?
And this is normal?
Yeah, they got some issues with that.
This is just.
No,
which
but
one's
this
this one?
one?
Protective.
This is the one, this is generic, so this is their top tier.
Probably. Or is it just wear and tear?
Probably not, or
Where they
probably.
sprayed it.
This burnt up.
It could have been a bad solder joint, loose solder joint, or a cold solder joint. You can use heat.
And it's a switch, anytime they switch it, it's two contacts, it's carbon. And that carbon creates heat, it now has resistance to it.
I gotta go out more.
And that resistance creates heat, and it burns up the solder joints on the back. So
Wait, but what was in conflict with it? What part with it?
it's internal.
Oh.
That little black hat right there.
Okay.
Remember, go all the way back to day 2, the breadboard? You click the button and the relay was clicking?
Yeah.
Well, what you saw was the switch that's inside there, and that
Okay.
switch burns up, the heat migrates through, takes the blow away.
Wow, that's very convenient that this burnt up while we're here.
Not for them.
For
us, newbies,
I
yes.
think it should be illegal if you're in a training.
Does this go on the outside or the inside?
Nothing like going home after a long day.
Oh my God.
You get it right outside.
No. No.
My wife doesn't even notice. I'm like, I gotta work on this.
So the bottom lip's on first. See that lip right there? It's gonna go over the hinge all the way down.
I need one.
So this needs
That's
to
why I
put
put it. Good luck getting that one cabinet on properly.
That's right. I'll move up to it.
Doors.
No. Do you want to
I'm
hold that side?
just trying to help.
I know, I'm just trying to guide it. I can't push it down. Push it on that side.
The overzealous customer wants to help.
The
bottom of the door, yeah, there you go. It has a clip on first, then it'll hold itself in place once it's kind of lipped on there. And then you're gonna lay it back down flat and align the screw holes for the 2 panels.
And that has to be in there.
It's a little tricky, but it's what we deal with every day on the road.
Okay, the screws are lined up.
Okay. Put the 2 on top.
The microwave turn thing. Put a screwdriver between them. It'll make a little circuit. You touch the screwdriver, would it shock you or no? Because it's not completing the circuit anymore, right?
No, because that screwdriver has no resistance when you do it.
Okay.
So path of least resistance when you do the screwdriver is not you.
Shebang.
The smaller screws.
Yeah, I had that in the day, so.
To the bottom one.
But that tag got shocked by the dryer. He touched probably the washing machine, halfway with the circuit.
Correct.
But the ground was missing.
Then
It
was
was
the
like
ground was there. It hot neutral or reverse on here, so there's 120 volts in this cabinet trying to go home. And you can't get home because the circuit's open.
Is there no way to
There's no way to go home. For the way home, I touch it, it comes into me, I touch it here, so this one is not grounded properly, and this one is. So this one's live, voltage comes in here, so it's grounded, ground goes back home, current flows through my body.
No, I think the ground was fine on the dryer. But neutral is the one that messed up.
Because it's a 3-wire application, neutral and ground is the same thing.
Oh, okay.
So they're bound on the cabinet,
But not on the fourth one.
not on a 4-wire,
How did you find out that the initial board was dry?
because it wasn't drying properly.
That's the customer complaint.
Yep.
Okay. Would that situation never happen in the fourth one?
It could, it's just harder to do. Yeah, but it could still be happening, yes. Alright, let me go ahead and get the power back on. Moment of truth. What's for lunch today?
Beef bowls, beef and rice.
Yo. Teriyaki one?
Teriyaki beef, yes.
That'll make up for yesterday. Not with lunch here. We went out to eat and I wasn't.
Alright. Hear that sizzle?
Nice and hot.
It's good and hot.
Job well done.
Oh, yeah.
Take some water and hear it sizzle. You can even smell it. So we'll have real nice clean dishes tomorrow. You want to touch it?
Oh, if it's sizzling, that means it's really hot.
Take your finger and dab it with water. And real quick, don't do
Give it a
it
little
dry.
spank.
Wait, where is it? This?
Yep.
Okay, no, I shocked myself yesterday, but I do not love pain, so I'd rather pass on this one.
It's not that hot. So.
We'll do it on accident.
I'd rather not find
Yeah,
out.
it's getting hot. So yeah, it's, use the water to your advantage. All right, that's fixed. So that's that. That's neutral. More in the dishwasher. And somewhere down there.